You're a grown-up now, huh? Congrats, but life is getting real, and this video is going to help with that. Now, being a grown-up doesn't just mean walking around in your robe all day. It means you have to get your shit together. So today I'm going to tell you 5 ways that you can get your shit together starting today. By the time I finish this tea, you are going to have all the tea. Okay, that was corny. It was corny, but I'm keeping it. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is actually super simple and is probably the only step that involves making some sort of purchase in the next 5 steps that I'm going to show you. If you're like me, you probably had different piles of papers and mail and important documentation that you put in 7 different areas, and then whenever someone asked you for it, you had no clue where to look. Well, no more. Insert file storage box. You guys can get these at Staples, Walmart, literally anywhere. Now, I know we're in the world of all things technology and everything is online, but honestly, there's some things that are never going to be online. And depending on what's important to you, you're going to want them all in one space. Here's mine. That's it. I have all my important documents in here. I've never had to buy a new one. Basically, what you need to put in there is anything that you want to store safely. Now, if you have birth certificates and passports, you might be putting that in a safe if you live at home. If your parents can hold on to it and they have a safe, let them. But if you are owning your things and everything's with you and you want to keep track of all your important documentations, you might start off with something like this and may eventually buy a safe. I don't even have a safe, if we're being honest. The kind of things I have in my storage box that you might want to store as well are things like birthday cards, annuals, like when I buy a new camera or a device or a new TV, anything that comes with an owner's manual, or maybe you bought some furniture and there's an install guide or a take apart guide. When I have a new credit card, they sometimes give you a pamphlet with the new credit card. I'll put that in there. You don't know where to put those things because it's just extra paper. But yeah, this storage box will be your saving grace. The next time someone asks you for, you will be able to find it, no problem. And the good thing also is if it's not in there, I don't have it. It's just easy now. So yeah, that's step 1. Your future self will thank you. My next piece of advice is super important, and that is to practice self-care with your savings. Now, I'm gonna do what every YouTuber that I've ever watched says and start by saying, everything is your choice. I'm simply suggesting sharing some things that I've done, and if it works for you, it works for you. But always consult someone professional, because I am not a professional. But yeah, this shit, saving, this is that stuff, okay? Honestly, starting to save and invest can be super easy, and you don't have to stretch yourself thin. You can start for as little as $10 a month. And let's be honest, the RBCs, the TDs, when I have savings accounts with them, it's gaining me about, I think, 4% interest max, and that's usually on a promotion, after which point it goes down to like 1.2% interest. That's a lot of numbers, but all you need to know is 1.2% interest or 1% or less interest gained on your money is nothing when the rate of inflation goes up about 2 to 7% every year. Especially during the pandemic, it's been crazy numbers. So if your money is not growing with you, then you're losing it. And nobody wants to lose money, especially not in this day and age when everything is so expensive. I like to put my money in a bunch of different places just to make sure that if something goes down here, I might not be suffering on all ends, or all of my money is not in one place, so I'm less likely to lose all of my money. This is especially for you ADHD folks. Auto deposit is your best friend, okay? Object permanence is real. ADHD or not, sometimes when things are out of sight, it's out of mind. And if you're not constantly remembering to put money aside, you're forgetting to do it, and months will pass. Setting up an auto deposit, which can be done with any of the banks that you're with, is super easy. It just makes sure that every month money will come out, it'll go into a savings account or maybe a mutual funds where it's getting invested. It's growing while you forget about it. When I was first starting, it was literally 20 bucks a month. That was the max that I could do without putting myself on the street, because I'm trying to save money. I need the money. I need to use it now. But 10 bucks bi-weekly, I didn't need. So if I just didn't buy lunch one day of the week, I could save that amount. When you set up your auto deposit for a comfortable amount, you will not remember that the money came out. There's nothing better than being like, holy shit, I have an account that's been taking money. How much do I got in that? Now, this isn't sponsored, but Wealthsimple is my personal favorite app for investing. If you guys want more details about Wealthsimple and opening an account and getting yourself started, let me know, because I am addicted to this stuff. The good thing about Wealthsimple is they're always giving bonuses when you refer people. So if I invite you and you sign up for a DIY trading or a managed investing account, you can get up to $3,000 in cash to invest. I'm gonna put my link to my referral code in the bio. Shout out to Wealthsimple. So yeah, tip number 2 is save your money, honey. Whatever you want to do, you probably gonna need some money to do it. So it will never hurt you to have savings, to learn to invest, and to become financially savvy. The next thing is going to be to learn about the government. This is honestly annoying me. I'm getting upset. They need a complete just overhaul. They're the worst. They're unorganized. They're not timely. There's just so many things I hate about our government and its processes, but we'll save that for another day. At the end of the day, the government isn't going anywhere, so you should do yourself a favor and start to learn about what your obligations are to the government. And also find out what the government can do for you, because the one thing the government's never going to tell you is when they got free money for you. They never want to tell you about what you're entitled to. They never want to tell you about benefits and grants and loans that you might be eligible for. So you got to learn to finesse a little bit. I've already filed some complaints against the government already because they've just rocked my shit, but don't let them rock yours. The government likes to tussle. Start learning about the government. Start learning about what you owe. Learn about what taxes are. If you've got student loans, and I'm re-triggered again. Clearly, I did not know too much about the government when I was getting started in the workforce and all that, and that's why I'm pretty screwed up right now. And I'll put some links to like resources and things that you can look at, and we will get through it together. Can't stand them. Next. The next thing in the book for you guys is to project manage your life. I'm a project manager by profession, but guess what? If you're not a project manager, you still project manage. Waking up in the morning, brushing your teeth, doing your hair, and getting out the door on time is project management. Take it one step further and start to get super organized, because organization is sexy, especially when you're growing up and you start to have competing priorities, new things on the to-do list, a calendar that fills up every week, new reports due, new deadlines. You need to find a system that works for you where you can get all the information that's living in your brain and in many different places, consolidate it into one space, and use that system, program, software, whatever it is, to help you organize your life. Now, one thing I didn't know, and this is so sad, is that there are free project management softwares. Oh my God, no! That kind of hurted me. This is even more embarrassing, is I only learned this. I just assumed that they were all for corporate and that they were all expensive. So I never looked into it. I was just getting a little notebook handwritten calendar, and that worked for me for a time, but eventually I need updates, I need reminders, and a hard copy book was just not giving me that. One thing I found is Asana, and I don't gotta tell you guys none of this is sponsored. I got like 23 subscribers. Come on now. But Asana is basically a project management software, and it just helps you with everything in your life. It's super easy to use, and not that this matters, but whenever I complete a task, it gives these cute little unicorns that fly, and it just makes you feel accomplished and happy for a second, and that's never a bad thing. Some projects that I've set up are YouTube, home buying because I want to buy a house this year, so I gotta get some shit together, boating license because I've been trying to get my boating license for the past year and a half. Don't tell my mom that I don't have it yet. She's gonna see this. I'm working on it. I've got it scheduled in Asana now, so it's gonna get done. Anyways, you can make as many projects as you want. You assign them to yourself. And a pro tip for you guys would be to add a due date. So if you don't put a due date, it won't show up in your main dashboard. But if you do, then you can always get a reminder of the things that you want to get done. And hey, if you don't make it, you change the due date and let it remind you again. When I tell you the amount of things that I've got done since starting my Asana account and starting to merge my life onto here has been just insane. Project manage your life so that you can set aside time for your mental well-being, for the work you need to get done, and for everything else in between. You made it to the last tip, so congratulations. I hope I didn't bore you too much, but it's okay if I did. I get that a lot. I learned this tip way too late. Again, another tip that I learned basically end of 2022, but you know what? Better late than never, shit. Just don't forget to be selfish. These years are tough because we're just growing at this rapid rate. Things are changing so fast around us. You're gonna outgrow a lot of relationships during this time, and that's perfectly okay. Everybody grows at their own pace, but don't let people hold you back because you're afraid of taking your next steps alone. Sometimes it's nice when you have a partner who can go through life steps with you, but we were born alone, we're gonna die alone. Some parts of our journey have to be alone so that we can grow and hopefully get to the place where we meet the people and create the bonds that are gonna help us elevate and get to the next step in our life. Find ways to treat yourself. Sometimes that's buying the little chocolate bar because you're PMSing. If you saved because you did my other tip, then sometimes it's buying a little trip for yourself. So at the end of the day, you cannot fill anybody else's cup if yours is empty. If your social battery's dead, it's okay to cancel. It's okay to literally sit down all weekend and do nothing. So listen to your body, protect your peace, and be selfish, please, please. And know that everything is working in your favor anyways. Okay, that's all she wrote, literally. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped. I want to flip it to you guys. What would you have done differently knowing what you know now for your younger self? If you guys want to leave your answers in the comment, that would be great. Share your tips because I might need them. But okay, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.